guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? So as you can tell by the title, today we are cooking and I am making some Korean ground beef. This is honestly like one of the easiest things you can make. A lot of the ingredients you probably already have. So the recipe I found is from the recipecritic.com, but their recipe initially was only for 1 pound, but I have 2 pounds of ground beef, so I had to double everything. And I'm gonna tell you all of what we're gonna need. So I'm looking at it on my iPad. So you're gonna need 6 garlic cloves, but minced up. And if you've been here before, you know that I only buy the jar of garlic. It's already minced. So I'm gonna measure out 6 cloves equivalent from the jar. Half a cup of packed brown sugar. You're also gonna need half a cup of soy sauce, and then you need 4 teaspoons of sesame oil and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Where is it? Half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and then half a teaspoon of black pepper. This recipe has it being served with rice, but we don't have any rice, so we're going to use cauliflower rice instead. And then you can also put green onions and sesame seeds on top for like garnish, but we just have sesame seeds, so that's going to be our little variation. And I'm just going to show you how to do it. First step is you want to brown your meat, of course, but you want to cook it with the garlic. I'm trying to open up this jar because it's new, and I'm going to measure out 6 cloves, which is the equivalent of 3 teaspoons from the jar. And you want to put it right into the pot. I'm going to cook it on like medium heat. Okay, so yeah, while the meat is browning over here, we're gonna make my sauce. As you can see, I already dumped in that half cup of brown sugar, and I'm measuring out a half cup of soy sauce, but what I had in my bottle was not a half cup, so now I'm just reusing some packets that I got from ordering Chinese food that were not used. So, well, not reusing, but repurposing. So I can get to a full half cup. Okay, so I have soy sauce and brown sugar in here. I mistakenly added some garlic to the bowl, but it's okay. It's already garlic in the meat. It's gonna be just extra garlicky. It's all great. Okay, so have the meat. I drained the grease off of it already, and now I just need to mix up the sauce, well, the glaze really, not the sauce. I have my flame on like low, and then you just pour right on the top. And then you just want to mix it all together. And then while it's sitting here for the last like 5 minutes, you want to go ahead, and if you're making rice, you know, your rice should have already been like almost ready by now. But if you're making cauliflower rice like I am, then you can go ahead and put it in the microwave now, and then everything will be done right at the same time. here's the finished product. I know this one looks like it's just like a bowl full of meat, but I promise there is cauliflower rice at the bottom, so it's not just a whole bunch of meat. But yeah, this is the finished product. I made the cauliflower rice. It's just plain. It looks like this. And then I also made string beans, as you can see. Oh, almost forgot sesame seeds. Gotta like sprinkle them across the top. Well, it's not a good sprinkle, but you get the idea. So I can do mine a little bit better. Mine is kind of a better sprinkle. So yeah, that is the finished product, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Super quick, simple dinner you can make during the week, weekend, whatever. If you enjoyed the video, of course, leave a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the button down below to subscribe. Hit the button right beside it, that little bell, so you can get notified when I post any of my new videos. I do post 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'd hate for you to miss anything. And let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a great day or a great night. Whatever it is, make it great. Bye.